Hi, yeah, I was trying to keep it to one video, but I went over my 15-minute limit. See, I'm a cheapskate, and I only use the free version of Screencast-O-Matic, which limits my videos to 15 minutes. I thought I could fit it in, but I didn't. But let me just finish up here with a few minutes. I was talking about this study and going over some of these threats, and one of the things I want to add is this is a pretty poor design. It's likely to be susceptible to many of these threats. It is one of the weaker designs. That's why he's so sad. It's not a very good design. The other thing I just want to conclude on is saying that this assignment is also active for this week. There's a second article which has a much stronger design. I think it involves a pre-test, post-test control group design, which I think is much, this guy's happy, so it's likely to control for them. What's key in both these assignments is not so much, whether you guess right, that it's plausible, possible, not plausible, but that you kind of understand the threat and whether it could be operating. So the explanation is key to demonstrating that you understand the threat and how it might work as an alternative explanation in the pre-test post-test design, and then in the pre-test post-test control group design, which is very different. So I will end there, and if you want, and if this is helpful to you, I'm willing to reopen up this assignment, which was the first one of these. If you want to revise and resubmit it, let me know, and I will do that. If not, I'll just grade what's there. Let me know soon, because if I start grading, then I'm not going to want to reopen it. So, all right, I will talk to you later.